Yo, look, just modded this Razor. Look, 36 volts, tops out 42. Look at this thing. Oh, light as crap. Light as crap. Look. Easy pickup. Probably only like 30 pounds. This thing pops wheelies, does everything, bro. I can hit friggin' knee knockers. Bro, it's so light. Like only 1 kilowatt. Only 1 kilowatt, bro. Watch this. Alright, we out. Yes, this bike is very small. I will be going over how much this bike cost me in a little. Dude, it's a ton of fun though. Depending on your weight, like if you're like 150, 200 pounds, where I can hit like 20 miles an hour regularly, depending on your weight, you go from like 20 to 25. But dude, this thing is perfect. Look, top wheelies, better wheelies, hold up. This thing can do anything. Look. Knee knockers. Just look at this thing. Like, bro, doesn't this thing look so good? Like, bro, gut seat. You don't have to get the guts, bro. But, like, so I spray painted it. Like, dude, it looks so good. You could actually keep the stock motor on this after just these two upgrades, the controller and motor. But I didn't do that. Made it go, like, a little bit faster, but... Alright, so... Yo, the cost of this build is probably around... So, depending on if you get... So, the frame could literally be for free. Anyone selling this thing for literally free. So, yeah. So, frame $0. You got the throttle, which came with the controller. Same with this grip. Super crappy, though. Key ignition. You got this key right there. The battery was about $100. And the controller that came with, like, a ton of stuff, like throttle, like, a ton of stuff, was about $90. And I'll link everything in the description. But, dude, this thing is so light, so fun to wheelie. You want to know the best part about it? It's so cheap. Bro, look, I could easily wheelie this thing. And, here, look, hold up. Hill climb fast real quick. Hill climb. Ooh. Yeah, the camera does not make it look steep. That shit is really steep. Yeah, so look. Stock brakes, that's why if you keep stock brakes, they're gonna sound really, really, really squeaky. So I recommend don't do that. Look, it shows the volt meter. I'm at 39 volts right now out of 42. So, yeah. Spray paint this thing. Guts. So perfect. Yo, this thing could even hit jumps. Even though with no suspension, it doesn't hurt. Like, alright, look, I'm pretty tall, but like, still. Like, look at how much room I have. Like, no room for clearance on my knees. So this bike is really small. You could get a bigger model, like an MX500 or stuff like that. But those cost more. So good luck if you're on a budget. Dude, perfect beginner wheelie bike. So light, so cheap. Like even if you mess this thing up, it's so cheap it doesn't even matter. This thing probably cost you like $300, honestly.
I don't want no, you really good at everything. I don't want that. Matter of fact, I want your friend, I'm allowed to switch. I'm really tired of being in the studio, bro, I'm about to quit. Somebody call my A&R now, tell them get me out of here, cause I'm about to flip. Bad in the D&B, I'm okay with that. Be a song and turn it off, we don't.
Honestly, this is like the most perfect beginner bike ever. Like, it doesn't go too fast for your parents to kill you. it's not like anything wrong with it. It's just like perfect. But come on, it's so cheap. If you want to build a bike and really have a connection with something, definitely do this. But if you want something more powerful, you could get a 48 volt. They do sell a controller on Jordy Builds for 48. You could get that. If you want it to go like 23 to 28, or 23 to ish, like around 28. Wait. Yeah. You just drove past something worth like $600,000. Hold up. Can y'all spot it? Look at this. Look at this glory. Holy shit. It's so good. Hold up. Did not leak. That was not me. One more time. Love me. They're like, oh my god, Racer Gang. Like, bro, some kids at my school, they know who I am. Like, that ass fucking. Yo, I did a one-hander. Y'all see that? Oh my god. Bro, I'm not about the camera shaking. Y'all are probably getting seizures. I just think it hit burnouts, hit everything. Bro, this is just like a bike, like to mess up, or like, I don't know, like if you have a main bike already, just like might as well get this for like so cheap, like $300 for any electric bike is crazy, bro. Like, bro, it takes no pop whatsoever to get it up and wheelie this. I don't know where to go. Hold up, there's too many neighbors. I'm too embarrassed. Actually retarded. See? First bike. Mess it up, bro. Just mess up the first bike. Always mess up your first bike, bro. Probably selling to John soon. So if you already want to build one, maybe check out my Facebook Marketplace. This will probably be selling this soon. Get a 48 volt Mototech. Because, dude, I already, like, come on, bro. So perfect bike. Like, come on. Like, who wouldn't want this? Such a good bike. Give me so much glory and aura. Y'all should check this John out, bro. Like, dude, this thing has like 10 miles of range, probably. For only 42 volts, that's insane. That's literally insane. Like, come on. Why is there a traffic cone right there? Bitch, you smack the traffic cone. I actually kicked it over, bro. It's right there. Chat, it's people like those who know the face reveal of Racer Gang. just drawn up at like full speed. Look. Man, that was really bad, so I was going like too fast. Hold on. I think you're going at a decent speed on top of it. This bike is actually really easy to hit combos on. So light, so perfect, bro. I can't stop glazing. Like that. Bro, it's so good. Yeah, let's get rid of this freaking crazy headlight. I don't want this anymore. I don't want that anymore. Yeah, whatever. Someone else can pick it up. Someone else could have a headlight. I don't want that. Look at my bike now, so much more cleaner, bro. Yeah, like I was saying, bro, this bike is like peak. Can't exaggerate it anymore, bro. This John is actually like peak. I already have like a video out on like all the stuff I bought and how to build it, but like, bro, it's so good. Chat. It was a good run. Stay tuned. Cross my heart and break my bones. Now I said you wanna ride with me. Top shot on the minimum. Yeah.